Today we are going to learn the most important concept in mixture alligation, that is replacement. You need to know one thing for solving this sum. If you know that, it will be very easy for you to solve this kind of sum. That is, when from something, for example, if something is there, for example any mixture is there. Okay, for example it is a mixture of milk and water. From that mixture, that bucket, if you take out 1 cup of that mixture, then the remaining mixture in that bucket is not going to change. That means the ratio in which the milk and water is there in that particular bucket is not going to change. But if it is adulterated, means if someone adds some more water into that particular mixture, then the ratio of water and milk will change because the portion of water is changing or increasing. So likely if someone adds milk instead of that, then it will be more concentrated in milk. That means milk will increase. So this you need to understand, that if you take out something, the ratio is not going to change, but if you put in something or give something into that particular mixture, then the ratio will be changing. So here question is, in 50 liter of water and milk mixture, water is 20%. That means a mixture is there, 50 liter mixture is there, in that water is 20%. That means rest is what? Milk. Means 80% is milk in that particular mixture. The milkman gives 10 liter of this mixture to the customer. That means from this 50 liter of bucket where milk and water was there, from that 10 liter was given to someone by the milkman. That means the ratio is not going to change. And then he added 10 liter of pure water in the remaining mixture. So now what was remaining after giving 10 liter, that is 40 liter was remaining. In that 10 liter pure water he has added. So now he is adding something. That means now ratio is going to change. The percentage of water in the final mixture is, you are asked to find out the percentage of water in the final mixture. So if we just consider the water, so in the beginning, before adding anything in that 50 liter of mixture, only 20% was water. According to the question, it is given 20% was water. Then water is added. That means I have already taught, if you are adding something, you will add the purest form of that thing. So here water is added. That means 100% water is added. Next we will consider this thing, that is when 10 liter was taken from 50 liter, that means when 40 liter was remaining, that time also as something is taken out, the ratio is not going to change. So that time also the water was 20%. That means we can write, when it was 40 liter, mixture was 40 liter, then also water is 20%. Now it is said 100%. Now added means how much added. So it has been said in the question that 10 liter is added. So here you are getting the ratio of the quantity, that is 4:1. And now you are asked to find out that in the final mixture what was the percentage of water. That means you have asked to find out this value. So let's find out. You have learnt many methods to find out this value, but we are going to learn the easiest method today. How you are going to find out? First, you will find out the difference of this two. So 100 minus 20, what you are getting? You are getting 80%. So here you are finding out the difference. Now in ratio, you are going to add. So 4 plus 1, what you are getting? 5. This 5 represents what? This 5 represents 80%. Now you can find out 1 unit. So 1 unit will represent 80 by 5, that is 16%. So 1, here 1 means 16%. And here this value what you are asked to find out, it is less than 100, means it is less than this one, and it will be greater than this one. That means this 1 unit, if we add to 20%, you will get this one, and the value of 1 unit is 16%. So 20 plus 16, you are getting 36%. This is our final answer. Means previously water was 20%, next 100% water has been added, and now in the final mixture 30% is the water. This is your final answer.